What's up guys, Tech Central here with a $150 gaming setup build. This gaming setup build includes the accessories like the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and the headphones. This does not include the desk or the gaming chair, but all the products that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below in the description box in the order that they appear, so it's easier for you guys to find them. But with that being said, let's get started with the monitor. The monitor I went is the Skeptree 20-inch 75Hz frameless monitor. This has a resolution of 1600 by 900. It has a 5 millisecond response time. It does come with built-in speakers, and it is also VESA wall mount compatible with a hole pattern of 75 by 75 millimeter. It features 2 HDMI ports convertible to DVI. The keyboard and the mouse I went with is the Cooler Master Devastator 3 gaming keyboard and mouse combo. This is a $39 gaming keyboard and mouse. This is a really good keyboard and mouse. I actually have this. I have the Devastator 2, and I can tell you it gets the job done. Now obviously it's not going to have the best quality, but for $39 you get a really good keyboard and mouse that features RGB LED backlit, and the mouse also features 4 DPI settings such as 800, 1200, 1800, and 2800. It has 6 multimedia keys for quick access and a laser etched and grip coated keycaps with anti-slide rubber pads on the bottom side. For the mouse pad, we went with the PCAM extended gaming mouse pad. This is a really nice mouse pad, and I went with the extended version, and it makes your setup look really clean. For the headphones, I went the One Audio monitor headphones. These are currently going for $30. Now obviously these won't be the best quality headsets, but for the money they'll get the job done. It does come with a detachable wire, which is very convenient. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this setup. If you guys enjoyed it, give this video a like. All the products that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below in the description box in the order that they appear, so it's easier for you guys to find them. But with that being said, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.